Alright guys, so we finally cut out our logo to test this button press machine. Alright, so you can read out the instructions to us? No, not too long. Alright, so basically what it's saying, that show it good? Alright, so basically what it's saying is you place this down in the left tray. You place this down in the left tray. Alright, right there. Right, so what you do afterwards, you put your logo on top of the actual button. Put it right there, fix it good and nice. Also, this is the plastic film that you put over your logo. All right, this is the plastic film you put right over your logo, right? Yes, so you get it aligned and center to your perfection. What you do afterwards, you shift the slider to your right to get it aligned with the header of the button press, and then you just bring down your handle one time, ease up, then you get your button pin, place it in the right there, get it all lined up and perfect. Then you slide it. So what the button press will do now, it will lift up the one that you just pressed with the image and everything, and you have to just slide it over to the actual pinning section of the button, right? So this is clear. So it basically the magnet feed up into the button. All right, so what you do now, you just press again, ease up, slide out. Oh my god, and here you got a button. All right, I know I will be rocking this everywhere I go. All right guys, so this is nice and perfect. All right guys, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and unboxing. All right guys, so here you go. Yes guys, this is so nice. Oh my god.